Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to replace this joystick. I think a lot of you people have this controller laying out, the original Nintendo 64 controller. I personally like it. But as you can see, the joystick is totally wear out. There are some easy fixes on YouTube, but I don't believe them. No. The only thing you can do, or there are actually two things you can do: buy a fake one, but most of the time they are not as good like the original one, or just replace the joystick itself. And yeah, I know there are some official Retrobit controllers out there when making this video, but still I want to find a solution for the original controller. King World is releasing these joysticks, and I was thinking, I must say they look very nice. It looks that you can just plug it in your original Nintendo 64 controller. It even has a connector, and it got a very nice touch to it. So, I'm ready for it. Let's rip it apart and let's see if I can replace it and how does it work. Alright people, let's play a little bit of Screws in USA. Oh crap, I choose. I need a shift key.
Go! Line up. Go!
And going into the corners, here's where you're getting here you can test out the joystick. Oh, that was so nasty. Alright, let's check the stick. Huh. As you can see, it works perfectly. No problem at all. Alright people, so for the final conclusion about the replacement for your original controller. King World, I must say, I am impressed. It works just fine like the original one. I played some of the games, I played GoldenEye for quite some while and didn't notice any problems. So this is what you're going to get. There is finally a good solution for fixing the stick if you just want to have your original controller. This is what you're going to get. I'm going to try to leave a link in the description so you know where to find it. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.